Good afternoon, students. So this is our session 6 with digital documentation, and in this video we are going to learn about find and replace option in LibreOffice. Okay, so find and replace option as it is the most common option in all word processors. So in LibreOffice also it is there. So let's see how it's work. So just come to LibreOffice. Here I already typed one document to use. So here find and replace option, in this edit menu you can find this option find, and there is one other option find and replace. Here the shortcut key of find is Control F, and find and replace has a shortcut key Control plus H. So here I am directly using this find and replace option. So here in this case, what is the use of find? Basically, if we find something or some words in our file, just suppose there is a page having result of your exam, having thousands of records, and you just want to find your name is there or not. So if you find it sequentially by scrolling your mouse, so it will take long time, but with the help of this find option you can find it quickly whether your name is available in that page or not. Just like that, supposingly here in this document, if I want to search the word is, okay, I type is and I just click this find all. See, locations where it find is, whether it is the whole word or it is the part of the word, that means it's a string or the substring, it finds all the is. Okay, here is this is available with this word this. Okay, here is the whole word. Okay, so if I click on this checkbox like find whole word only, so now if I find all, you can see only those words which are totally is. Okay, part of word is not selected, totally is selected. Okay, find all. Just like that, supposingly if I want to replace it with another thing, suppose is I want just to replace this is with was, and just to replace it, see, you can see here is was replaced by the was. And supposingly if I just search to, firstly just look how many words are there. There are so many words having two. So if I want to replace with them, and if I just click replace all, so it will replace all the occurrences of two with them. See, now if I just select them whether and just try to find all, see, all the occurrences of two are replaced by them. Okay, and there is one option, that is the match case. Basically, case is what? Case is something that we can say like it's in, this word is in uppercase or lower case, in capital letters or lower letters. So supposingly if I find this, okay, so when I just click, so here you can see this occurs 2 times. But if I just click this match case here, so here now it find nothing. Why? Because now it's now matching the case, and in this case T is in capital letter, in this case also T is in capital letter, and here I am matching it with the whole lower letters. So if I write just like this, okay, capital T HIS, then now if I go to this find all, see here now it find both this, because this match case is clicked. Okay, so if I click this checkbox match case, so it will match the word also and the its case also, whether it is in lowercase or uppercase, exactly it will match it. Okay, so that's all for this video. Have a nice day.